This is Josh Ezel with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management here in front of 46159 West Tulip in Maricopa. This is a brand new listing going live today. It's 2,418 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3-car garage, 1 story. This home has everything. Let's go take a look. Now, one of the most desirable things you could have in the Phoenix area is a 3-car garage. Since we don't have attics or basements, to have that 3rd car really comes in handy because you can have your storage, you can actually park in your garage, you can turn it into a man cave or a she shed. Now, currently, the front porch is occupied by a Harley Davidson, but a nice front porch, and these are going to be trimmed back to bushes here shortly, so you're going to actually have a nice clean view and a little more light added here. As we enter the home, I love this floor plan. As we enter, just to the left, you have what the owner calls a multi-purpose room. You know, as the kids were growing up in here, this is where all the games and the toys were. And now you can use it for many different purposes. As we go down to the right, you have a nice large laundry room. And that has access to your garage there. Now the cellar is actually including this nice commercial fridge. Sub-Zero. As we continue, we enter the main living area with the open floor plan. So here you have your kitchen with granite countertops, gas stove, and nice island right there for entertaining breakfast, whatnot. Big actual dining area, whether you want to call this a formal dining room or an eat-in kitchen. And then you can see that the nice archways, the architectural features, open up this floor plan along with the vaulted ceilings to really make for a wonderful living space. You can see it's pre-wired for surround sound. You have access to the back patio, which we'll go out in a minute. I did kind of skip over one very good part of this home. Nice size pantry. And one question I'll throw out to everybody who watches this: what's your preference? Vaulted ceilings or flat ceilings? Again, the architectural features for your pictures. Now, to the left here is the master. But we'll go ahead and continue down the hallway to the right, where at the very end, you have your first guest bath with the tile surround. And here at the end of the hallway, you have your linen closet. And then nice sized bedrooms. The cellar's already packing up, so this property will be ready upon a fast closing if need be. And you have a walk-in closet. Let's go out, and just to the side of that bedroom is the second guest bedroom. Now, when your average guest bedroom is 10 by 10, 11 by 11, all of these bedrooms are pretty nice sized. That is, again, one of the benefits of having a 2,400 square foot, 1-story home. Now, this is unique. When my clients purchased this home, there was already a second bathroom right here. This one has the stand-up shower, the pocket door, and professionally installed everything. So if you happen to have family, kids, roommates, whatever it might be, visitors, to have 3 guest bedrooms and 2 baths is actually quite convenient. While not normal, it is very convenient. Okay, so let's go down to the end of the hallway here. And we're going to reach the third guest bedroom. And this one as well has a nice sized little walk-in closet here. And all of them have fans and lights and blinds. Okay. Let's go ahead and enter the master bedroom. This is a very nice sized master bedroom. The vaulted ceilings really open this up. So you can see there's a TV installed there. And to the left, this is the actual workspace area. But you have your sliding glass door for access to the patio. And then big soaring ceilings. And this is a full-size king-size bed. Full-size king-size bed. It's a king-size bed. And there is plenty of room left over, as you can see. Now, as we enter the master bath, this is awesome. Here you have your first of your dual sinks, and then big custom shower. Love the tile work, and the blocks, and the inlays. Two shower heads, one on each side. How convenient is that, huh? And of course you have your full-size walk-in closet. Big walk-in closet, goes back here. All right, and the mandatory water closet, of course. Okay, let's go ahead and head out to the back. We'll go ahead and head out the slider from the master here. There's the door from the family room. You can see the privacy. It's a nice sized patio. Your mesquite. And then the landscapers will be out soon. This will be nice and fresh within a week. Okay. So there you have 46159 West Tulip in Maricopa. This is, again, 2,418 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3-car garage, 1 story in Maricopa Meadows. If you haven't been to this neighborhood, it is worth checking out. You have beautiful parks. You have a great water feature. It even has frisbee golf, believe it or not. So lots of benefits to being in this community. It's in a great location in the heart of Maricopa. So for more details, go ahead and reach out to me, give me a message, give me a call, and look forward to talking to you.